Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on TCL 501. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on your search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click got it and click this button to skip introduction. Now you can click not now and click open permissions. Now select AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps. Then you can click back and click back again and you can click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.